Welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a whole lot of prep so that next month is going to be a lot easier on me. So a few of the things that I'm going to be doing is chopping up some veggies so that way I can have a really easy go-to soup. So these really are the base for a lot of different soups, but for me, I use them for chicken noodle soup. So this is just celery, carrots, and onions, and I'm putting it in a little reusable bag, and I'm going to stick it in the freezer so that at any point I want soup, I pull this out, some of my bone broth, and hopefully I would have chicken on hand and some noodles, and I really easily could make chicken noodle soup as quickly as I want without chopping or making a big mess. Another thing that I want to prep is this big bag of ginger. So every single morning I drink ginger, lemon, honey, cinnamon tea. So a tea that I make here at home. It's really, really simple. So I will prep up the ginger, and I'll show you how I do that, as well as the lemons. So I have a couple other things in mind that I might want to prep, so we'll see how much I can accomplish today. All right, a quick tip about all of your ends. Make sure you keep these along with all this too, all the ends. And same with where'd they go? With the onion ends and skins and stuff, keep all that, throw it in a bag, and when you are making your next batch of bone broth, as I hope you all do, go ahead and just add some of this to it for some extra flavor and nutrients. Okay, so I'm all done with my first prep of the day. All of these veggies, I came out with 7 different bags. So now all I need to do is pull one of these out of the freezer anytime I want a soup or a chicken noodle soup specifically, and just dump it right into my Instant Pot, and there you go. Hey guys, so the other day I put together the chicken noodle soup veggies of the celery, carrots, and onions, and I did not get to anything else. So today I am finally finishing up the rest that I had goals for. So the other thing would be bean, rice, and cheese burritos. And then the last thing is prepping up everything I need for my ginger lemon tea. So let's get right into that. All right, so here I have my cheese shredded, my tortillas, rice, and some refried pinto beans. I did make this in my Instant Pot, and I actually did have this already prepped for the prep, so kind of prep inception. I don't know. But you can just make it, or obviously get it from a can, whatever you prefer. And then this I did make in my rice cooker. It's ready to go. right, the burritos are done. Moving on to the ginger lemon tea. So I drink this tea just about every single day. Sometimes I drink it twice a day because I love it so much. I don't drink coffee, so this is kind of like my morning ritual type of a thing. And so it takes the place of coffee for me. Not because it gives me a boost or anything like that. I don't know. I just like the taste. And it's my morning thing. So it's very, very easy to do it. I'll tell you, but I might do like a future video, just like a really short one showing you how I put all of this together. So what I do is I take a few, I'm going to freeze all of these. That's why I got them in bulk. So I'm going to take a few out of the freezer and stick them into filtered water in a pot or like a little boiling pot, and just have enough for about a cup or two, and then take a few pieces. I take a good little handful, yeah, maybe like 4 or 5 pieces, something like that. Boil it for about 10 minutes. And then take it off the burner, let it cool off just a bit so that way you don't scorch the honey that is waiting in your mug. So in your mug you can have honey, cinnamon, and a quarter of a lemon. Once your tea cools down just like a little bit, go ahead and pour it over your mug with the honey, lemon, cinnamon, and enjoy. It is seriously so delicious. Something I also forgot to mention about this tea is that it's really good for boosting your immune system, obviously because of all the ginger in it. Also, if you are feeling nauseous or have a stomach ache or something like that, I always make more of these. Usually if I have a stomach ache or if Bobby has a stomach ache, I'll make a little batch of this. And no joke, it does the trick every single time. Also, if I'm sick, I rotate between this, drinking this, water, and bone broth. And again, I feel like it does the trick, and it really, first off, it hydrates you, but it also boosts that immune system, reduces inflammation, and just tastes really good and comforting too. All right, and just like that, we are all done with all of the prep. So now I have ginger lemon tea readily available, the base of several different kinds of soups and stews ready to go. I believe I made about 7 of these little packs. And also 8 bean and cheese burritos. I know that I did this over the span of 2 different days. However, this can be done in probably an hour tops. I really don't think it should take that long. So just put on something on Netflix or on YouTube and just start getting to work. If you guys enjoy watching videos like this, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up so that I know to continue to make more. I already do this kind of stuff around the house anyways, so I would love to take you guys along if that's something that you guys would like to see. But until next time, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.